Hey guys, today I have a quick review of this VEVOR rotary tool. If you're going to get a rotary tool, you definitely want one that is wired so it has a lot more strength, and this one is very heavy. Right here you can adjust the speed of it, and then this would be a lock to actually prevent this from spinning, or to actually so you can unscrew your bit and put it back on, and then this would be your start. So let's go through what attachments we have here. And they also come with a bunch of different safety guards. So if you only want to do in this section right here, this will be a shield so you're not getting like splinters flying at you. But we have a bunch of different attachments. So you can see here a bunch of different sanding wheels, polishing wheels. You've got a little wire brush here. And then a bunch of other metallic heads, drill bits, that sort of thing. So we'll just go ahead and put on a sanding wheel. I'll show you exactly how that works. You just put it directly onto here, but it looks like we actually need to install the correct chuck for it, which would be potentially this one right here. Come on. Let's see if this fits. Yeah, so if you were going to do sandpaper, this is the one you want to put it on, and you slide that on there, and it's going to be extremely tight fit, so this doesn't come off or just spin freely. So to do this, we'll hit this lock button. Once we get it locked, then we can go ahead and remove this one right here. And then we need to screw on our new one right here. Take that out too. Boom. And now if we go ahead and turn it on, we can start sanding. So check it out, guys.